My friend, 120 million. 120 million. That is 12% of a billion. Donating in a church to build a church. Taxpayers' money. My friend, kwani how ungodly can be those pastors? Yani pesa wakati go to Kenyatta National Hospital. Angalia watu wamelala huko with pesa kido pending bills. My friend, SHA is not working. SHA is not working. Enda Baringo. Saizi kunajua watoto wanasomea nje chini ya mti kwa mawe. What can 120 billion do? How many classes can 120 billion build? In Baringo watoto wanasomea nje. Mtoto anachoma na juu amekalia chini ya mawe the whole day akisoma, and then we go to church to donate. Is that Christians? Is that godly? Hiyo ni godly? Kanisa yenyewe inaweza jijengea hiyo kanisa. How inhuman have we become? Jesus Winner and Pastor Moi, how ungodly are we? If this is not a plan or money laundering process, how can we? 120 million, the rate of unemployment in Kenya. Unakumbuka juzi vijana wamepelekwa hapa Saudi, wametoa 55,000 each, hawajapelekwa kazi. Hiyo pesa ilikuliwa na kina Alfred Mutua, vijana wajenda kazi. 120 million ingesaidia vijana wangapi wende wapate employment abroad, hiyo kufacilitate na kila kitu. The clinic officers in this country are on strike. And then we go in a church service. Kwani tunasavu Mungu mgani huyo? Ni Mungu mgani huyo? Clinic officers saizi wako kwa mgomo. And then we go into a church service and give 120 million. Which God are we serving for real? Hawa ni wahubiri wagani tuko nao saizi? Mtu anaweza accept 120 million na ile kilio wa Kenya wanalia hapa. On Sunday, this coming Sunday, we are occupying that church. We don't care whether you kill us all of us, lakini we are going for those churches. Hatuwezi kubali hivyo. We are cleaning the churches. Mr. President,
it's 20 million shillings and makes a promise to raise together with his friends 100 million to help in the construction of that church. And people who are noticeably very young, youthful, I saw in that church, are standing up, clapping for him, jubilating for him, being happy for him, singing praises. That church, those guys who stood there are a bunch of idiots. Everybody who was there thanking Ruto for donating money that has been stolen to a church are bunch of idiots. A church that is projected to cost 1.2 billion with a helipad. Who the heck is this God you're worshipping that needs all these facilities in a church? When people in that same church and the neighborhood do not have money to eat, do not have money to pay for school fees. These are the people who are making our country look like a joke. You know very well, this money is stolen. There is no business or any invention that Ruto has brought into this world that can give him 100 million, 120, make it that for the promise he made. And you're there praising him, singing praises to him, you bunch of idiots.